This piece of maple log is just waiting to get turned into a little bowl, but it's not round, so it's not going to go on the lathe. It's a beautiful piece. It's got some spalting in it. What I did to get this far is I flattened the bottom, cut a little half round on each end to give it a little bit of shape. Next thing, how do we take away everything that doesn't look like a bowl? That's going to be done, this carving tool running on this angle grinder. And this is going to be a great way to hollow the inside out here and get the shape we want, looking like this. Did I take away everything that doesn't look like a bowl? But that ball gouge did a great job of getting material out of there, boy, in a quick hurry, huh? So a little more work on my part, a little bit of cleanup, and my maple bowl, hand cut with a ball gouge, it's going to be ready for serving fruit or nuts or something.